Lakas sa tama.
Oo. Ilang taon ka na? Ilang taon ka na, sir?
Yawin ka wala.
Ilang taon ka na?
Kaya nga kumukuha ko na din.
Hindi, ilang taon kasi ang seniors, di ba, sa start to 60 pataas. So, ilang taon na po kayo? 60, 6-0. First mo kakang bata.
Okay lang ka, oh.
Ano ba yung love brings you to?
Oo.
Patay mo na.
O, sige pa.
Pero, alalayan niyo ako.
Oo, sige. Oo.
Yes, baby!
Tapos after nito, mag-angkas na ha. Para hindi naman siya mabuyat, ha? Sige.
Hindi ka ba yun?
Wala pa kayo naman. Ang kaibigan natin.
Okay na ba kayo naman?
Parang tapitin ng mga bakla ko dati ng kabataan kasi parang ang dami ng nakatikim din ng bakla ng bata mo siya. Ay, bakit may kapansanan, sir?
Senior
Kwenta.
Ay, ang tara.
Tangina po, kabalagay niya.
Just for the pop.
Oh!
Galing. And sometimes, you feel that you... Oh, you're perfect. Wala ka.
Hold
Strong!
Hold on.
Nagkamadali ka kasi, sir.
will keep
May lakad.
Through the cold,
the
this time.
Maganda items nito, ah.
Sa kagsubukan siya.
okay ba?
Friend.
Good
I saw
items.
you, and you're so helpless. You don't know what
To do.
Balik.
I'll be on your side. Comfort.
My love will see you through.
Baby.
When tears
I knew.
Oh!
and you feel like you wanna cry, just
Naalala ko yung tatay ko, favorite na yan.
to understand.
Mga panikoy. Okay lang ba?
When struggle and fall, and you need a shoulder to lean on.
All you have to do is call, and I'll be there.
With a helping hand, when the road rolls.
Seems so long and endless, and all you see but nothing.
Don't give up. Just your own. Kung pwede yun.
Ano ba ginagawa mo?
For that I will sing of joy.
Alam mo, dapat natutulog ka yung maintenance. When you blind the eyes, still my love will always be with you in everything you do, in every step you make, in every word you make. Don't be afraid to follow your dreams. Say my